Chain Reactor, founded in 2024, Portugal, biotech.
Meet the most successful company in universal history. Founded 4 billion years ago by bacteria. These invisible architects built our entire planet. In a single day, one bacterium can multiply into a colony so vast that it outweighs Mount Everest. Bacteria are the ultimate manufacturing platform. I'm Emma, co-founder at Chain Reactor, and I'm here to tell you about a massive opportunity in front of us today. Global demand for bioproducts has already reached $1 trillion, and it continues to grow. But the infrastructure needed has not kept up. Most of these products are made in bioreactors. It's a $20 billion global market today. But bioreactors are made for pharma. They can cost as much as a Bentley. It takes forever to get your hands on one, and it requires a PhD to operate. At Chain Reactor, we're making the VW Bug of bioreactors. It's fast, affordable, and easy to use. But we're not just making hardware. Our cloud-based control system anonymizes bioprocessing data across all of our bioreactors, and we're building the world's largest data set of biological processing data. Our AI algorithms allow customers to run experiments without ever stepping foot in the lab. Better insights increases production yields, and automated controls reduces human hours. We're making everything from 250 milliliters to 2,000 liters, all on our in-house automated manufacturing equipment. And now with our subscription model, customers can turn once insurmountable CapEx into very reasonable OpEx. And it's all thanks to our stellar team. My co-founders have both built companies before, Nate in additive manufacturing and David in B2C photobioreactors. And I've grown a company from 4 people to 300 million in annual revenue. We've already reached TRL 8. We've built the world's largest 3D printed bioreactor, and we have 3 patents pending. Our customers are making everything from lab-grown leather to ingredients in fragrances. And we're showcasing our production scale bioreactors through a proof of concept with the local government and with Patagonia. Our customer pipeline has already reached 1 million euros. And we're only just getting started. So, who's ready to join the 4 billion-year-old startup?